各位，香港青年節、香港島青年聯會2025香港國際美學體操大獎賽亞洲杯賽暨第13屆香港杯香港國際藝術體操錦標賽開幕禮好快就會開始㗎啦！請各位嘉賓盡快就座。
도트를 가두면 we break it. Don't know bigger than the girl next door. 무대 서면 we fake it. No white collar 근데 얜 좀 처음
dollars 난 불부터 달러 초록빛깔 컬러 감출 수 없어 나잖아 bitch Not even famous but they wanna be us 같은 공기지만 우린 남다른 witch 비교 말어 걔는 전부 cool 똑같은 거를 do I do it better 말해 뭐해 I'm a trendsetter all day I show 'em 끝없는 check
어쩌자는 네 말이 완전부터 돌아봐 I'll be getting what I need Those things I've got Think it's going to my head Now you're looking when I dance Take a quick pic for your friend 내 이름 알아둬
분명 나쁜 아이 아니어도 또 들어가두면 we break it 법무선 줄 모르고 덤벼 겁 없이 I just face it
No white color 근데 얜 중쳐 When I put men's in their places 모든 시선들은 날 따라와 But we ain't even famous
Don't you try me, I want some more Don't you play me, we on the floor Don't you try me, I want some more Don't you try me, I want some more Don't you play me, we on the floor Don't you try me, I want some more
Don't want you, need you, yeah I need you to fill me up 말고 마셔봐도 상해졌지 않아 Got a feeling that oh yeah You could be everything that I need Taste so sweet Every sip makes me want more yeah Looking like style cause you got it like that Take a big bite want another bite yeah 너의 모든 걸 나 원해 너 말고 모두
好。香港青年節、香港島青年聯會2025香港國際美學體操大獎賽亞洲杯賽暨第13屆香港杯香港國際藝術體操錦標賽開幕禮現在開始。Hong Kong Youth Festival Hong Kong Island Youth United Association 2025 Hong Kong International Grand Trophy Asia Cup Come the 13th Hong Kong Cup Hong Kong International Rhythmic Dynamics Invitation Championship Opening Ceremony is now begin。現在我哋咧有請咁多位主禮嘉賓就座，咁我哋都見到啦，我哋嘅一眾主禮嘉賓啦，其實已經喺我哋嘅座位上邊啦，準備迎接我哋今日嘅活動㗎啦。尊敬嘅各位主禮嘉賓、各位嘉賓、各位朋友，大家好！香港青年節、香港島青年聯會2025香港國際美學體操大獎賽亞洲杯賽暨第13屆香港杯香港國際藝術體操錦標賽開幕禮。我係今日嘅大會司儀 Jennifer 胡曉珊，大家好，歡迎各位嘅嚟臨。Dear distinguished guests, honor attendee, and friends, hello everyone. Welcome to the opening ceremony of Hong Kong Youth Festival Hong Kong Island Youth United Association 2025 Hong Kong International Grand Trophy Asia Cup Come the 13th Hong Kong Cup Hong Kong International Rhythmic Dynamics Invitation Championships. The ceremony is now officially underway. I'm your host for today, Jennifer, and I warmly welcome you all.首先，我哋有請運動員進場，等我哋用熱烈嘅掌聲去歡迎我哋一眾嘅運動員。First, let's welcome the athletes to the stage. Let's give them a warm round of applause. 首先，我哋有請一眾嘅運動員，首先係我哋中國香港嘅代表。請以熱烈嘅掌聲歡迎我哋中國香港嘅代表隊嘅成員。接住落嚟，我哋將會邀請我哋香港隊嘅代表成員呢，人數真係非常之鼎盛啊！大家見到呢，佢哋身上邊嘅 服裝咧都係非常之有心思㗎，而且咧佢哋都係精心咁打扮自己，唔單止係服裝上面嘅配搭，連佢哋嘅化妝啦、髮型啦，亦都係一絲不苟㗎。咁相信呢，我哋中國香港隊嘅成員呢，喺稍後嘅比賽入邊呢，都會有更加好嘅發揮同埋表現㗎。咁我哋見到我哋中國香港代表隊嘅成員啦，佢哋各自有唔同年紀去組成㗎。咁除咗有青年人之外啦，亦都有非常之可愛嘅小朋友，咁大家見到啦，佢哋出嚟嘅時候呢，甚至乎呢係會一個搭住一個嘅膊頭啊，非常之活潑可愛。咁我哋亦都可以預示到啦，我哋一眾嘅代表隊成員呢，佢哋喺接下落嚟嘅比賽入邊，相信都會將佢哋嘅活潑啦同埋可愛呢發揮得淋漓盡致㗎。咁而我哋嘅體操運動啦，我哋嘅美學體操啦，除咗係要兼顧技巧性之外啦，我相信啦喺呢個技術性同埋美感上面呢，亦都係不容忽視㗎。非常佢哋接住落嚟嘅比賽表現，接住落嚟我哋見到嘅就係我哋中國隊嘅代表，接下來是我們中國隊嘅代表進場。大家可以見到啦，我哋中國隊嘅成員啦，亦都係由唔同年齡嘅運動員組成㗎。咁佢哋身上面嘅舞衣咧，亦都係非常之精緻。咁我哋都見到啦，除咗有我哋唔同年齡嘅隊員之外咧，我哋亦都見到佢哋咧，亦都有好豐富嘅服裝打扮㗎。接住落嚟係澳洲嘅代表 ，The next team is come from Australia. Thank you, Australia. 咁我哋澳洲嘅代表啦，咁除咗有唔同嘅成員之外，唔同年齡嘅成員之外，亦都有唔同國籍嘅噃。咁我相信呢，佢哋跟住落嚟嘅比賽呢，都會發揮得非常之好。好，接住落嚟，我哋係日本嘅代表 ，Let's welcome the team of Japan。大家現場嘅觀眾可唔可以用再熱烈啲嘅掌聲去歡迎我哋嘅日本隊嘅代表？咁我哋見到咧，每一位成員入場嘅時候咧，都係非常之有儀態嘅。接住落嚟，我哋要進場嘅就係我哋韓國隊嘅代表 ，The team from Korea。Please give a round of applause for Team Korea。咁我哋咧今次咧其實亦都有好多唔同嚟自世界各地嘅隊伍去參加我哋嘅比賽㗎，將唔同國家嘅文化融入佢哋嘅藝術當中。接住落嚟係我哋馬來西亞嘅代表進場 ，The team from Malaysia。我哋今日嘅比賽咧，其實係會由30號啦至到11月嘅2號㗎，咁所以咧咁多位咧亦都可以喺呢幾日咧去欣賞到我哋咁多位成員嘅演出。我哋接住落嚟嘅，除咗 Malaysia 嘅代表之外咧，我哋下一隊會進場嘅係菲律賓嘅代表 ，The team from Philippines。菲律賓呢個民族咧一向都係非常之熱愛舞蹈㗎，咁我相信咧佢哋比賽嘅時候咧都會將佢哋嘅活力融入喺佢哋嘅設計嘅動作當中㗎。我哋亦都見到啦，我哋菲律賓嘅代表成員呢，亦都係笑容非常之燦爛嘅。咁啊，淨係見到佢哋呢，我哋都感受到嗰種開心啊！跟住落嚟嘅代表係嚟自俄羅斯 Russia，The team from Russia。咁啊，相比起其他隊伍呢，有唔同設計嘅服裝啦。咁我哋見到呢，俄羅斯嘅代表呢，佢哋唔同嘅組合呢，佢哋嘅服裝都係整齊劃一㗎，而且呢，亦都係非常之有氣勢啊！咁我哋見到咧，普遍俄羅斯嘅代表咧，亦都係非常之有儀態咁樣進場嘅。接住落嚟，我哋有新加坡嘅代表 ，The team from Singapore。嚟到我哋咧最後一隊進場嘅隊伍啦，就係越南 ，The team from Vietnam。我哋今次嘅比賽咧，有嚟自唔同國家地區嘅運動員支持啦。希望我哋今次嘅比賽咧，可以咧令將大家咧帶入一個力與美嘅世界。多謝晒咁多位運動員嚟支持我哋嘅活動啊！跟住落嚟咧，接住落嚟我哋會就唱國歌。咁咧，請所有現場嘅朋友面向我哋嘅國旗方向。 係啦，我哋中間熒幕咧就係我哋國旗方向啦。Now please stand and face the national flag for the singing of the national anthem of the People's Republic of China。現在就唱國歌。多謝各位。接住落嚟呢，我哋會恭請香港島青年聯會主席胡志希先生為我哋致歡迎詞，有請胡主席。我哋亦都有請工作人員為我哋送上咪俾胡主席。Now let's invite the Mr. Anthony Wu to deliver the welcome speech for us. Mr. Wu, please. So please be seated.
Hi, sorry, but I like to perform my speech in Cantonese. 唐處長、葉 Sir、黃博士、温會長、江主席、吳博士、黃主席，因為重量級嘉賓非常多，必須要逐個讀出嘅。各位主禮嘉賓，來自世界各地嘅運動員、教練、裁判，各位嘅媒體朋友，各位來賓，大家好。今日2025香港國際美學體操大獎賽亞洲杯暨第13屆香港杯香港國際藝術體操錦標賽隆重開幕。喺度，我代表香港島青年聯會同埋各個嘅主辦機構，向各位嘅來賓同埋支持我哋嘅主辦協辦機構同埋遠道而嚟嘅國際友人，報以最熱烈嘅歡迎同埋衷心嘅感謝。今次嘅賽事呢，亦都係香港青年節嘅夥伴活動之一。睇到特區政府一直大力推動青年參與文化體育活動，促進國際交流。我哋好開心咧，見到今屆嘅比賽咧，吸引咗來自澳洲啦、印尼、日本、韓國、馬來西亞10多個國家地區超過500多名嘅運動員參賽。今次咧唔單止係一次嘅體操競技，更係一次促進文化交流嘅一個活動。咁而本次嘅國際美學體操大獎賽亞洲杯系列第3站，呢個殊榮呢亦都印證咗香港賽事喺國際美學體操總會喺亞洲地區嘅權威同埋重要性。適逢今年係中華人民共和國成立76週年，由粵港澳3地聯合舉辦嘅15屆全運會嘅助威，今屆我哋特別增設咗迎全運國慶杯團體賽同賀盛事。我哋希望通過體育嘅力量凝聚人心，展現香港市民對祖國嘅深厚情感，並為即將來到嘅全運會傳遞最誠摯嘅祝福同埋期待。我哋深信嚟緊幾日嘅比賽將會充滿激情同埋挑戰，每一位運動員將喺場上邊傾盡全力，衷心祝願所有嘅參賽運動員喺比賽裏邊取得佳績，發揮最佳嘅水平，祝願本次嘅大獎賽圓滿成功。多謝大家。
多謝晒胡生，可以先就座 ，please be seated。接住落嚟，我哋有請懲教署助理處長唐信先生為大會致歡迎詞，有請我哋嘅主禮嘉賓唐 Sir。
多謝咁多位。First of all, I want to say my thank you to all of you to join this competition today. But my foreign speech is only in Cantonese. I'm sorry about that. And I hope you enjoy your trip and your competition in Hong Kong. Welcome. 胡志希主席、黃家昌主席、吳仲南會長、葉永成先生、 黃嘉欣博士同埋江志榮先生。大家嘉賓各位參賽者，下午好。我高興今日能夠出席由香港島青年聯會主辦嘅2025年度香港國際美學體操大賽獎亞洲杯 K 第13屆香港杯國際藝術體操錦標賽嘅開幕禮。我哋香港島青年聯會一直致力於推動美學體操同埋體育文化嘅發展，為香港青年培育咗更加寶貴嘅平台，對香港體育人才培育作出重大嘅貢獻。呢項賽事不單止係亞洲嘅體操年度盛事，更加係搭建起一帶一路國家之間嘅交流橋梁，有效促進藝術、美學、運動及文化多元嘅共融。我知道今屆嘅賽事非常之有熱烈嘅參與度，吸引咗超過500位嚟自世界各地嘅優秀運動員同埋出色嘅運動員聯去做一個競技文化交流活動。我哋除咗見證咗運動員卓越嘅表現之後，更加深化咗香港一帶一路完善國家同埋地區嘅友誼，展現咗體育作為促進國際工作嘅合作嘅重要橋梁。我哋懲教處一直致力推動青少年社區教育活動，透過社區教育嘅計劃、體育活動同埋生涯規劃等等多個元化嘅活動呢，協助年青人建立自信、培養責任感同埋強化佢哋嘅正確價值觀，守法共融。同香港島青年聯會一樣，我哋會培育以國家嘅愛國主義嘅活動啦，同埋社區嘅責任感同埋對國家嘅歸屬感呢，盡咗一大嘅努力。懲教署我哋同香港島青年聯會推動青年工作發展一樣，理念同出一轍嘅，同時希望鼓勵青少年積極參與體育活動，從此培養好健康嘅生活方式。期盼所有年青人都能夠以積極嘅態度迎接人生挑戰，訂立明確目標，活出豐盛嘅人生。我希望藉着今次嘅一個機會呢，我都想提醒大家，全港市民都有一個好重要嘅日子啊！大家都應該知道，嚟緊嘅12月7日就係我哋第8屆嘅立法會選舉日。為咗建設更加美好和諧嘅香港呢，我都呼籲咁多位成年嘅香港市民、登記嘅選民都踴躍投票。未有登記嘅小朋友項目呢，我都希望你哋帶埋家長一齊去同投票站去支持我哋呢個香港投票嘅城市，為我哋香港未來作出貢獻。好多謝咁多位，
多謝晒唐處長嘅支持。請唐處長先就座。接住落嚟，我哋會恭請中國香港美學體操總會會長吳仲南博士為大會致開幕詞，有請吳博士。
Distinguished guests, gymnasts, coaches, parents and friends, it's my profound honor and on behalf of the Hong Kong China Federation of Aesthetic Group Gymnastics and alongside of our co-organizers, the Hong Kong Island Youth United Association, the Eastern District Sports Association, and the Hong Kong Eastern District Community Association to extend the warmest greeting to all of you at this year's prestige Hong Kong Cup and Asia Cup event. This competition, now celebrating its 13th edition, is more than just a spectacular display of athleticism and artistry. It is a vital platform for promoting global exchange and supporting the HKSAR government policy of encouraging youth participation in culture, sports, and arts. The sheer scale of this year's event is testament to its growing international prestige. We have attracted over 500 high-level athletes from near 20 countries and regions, including Australia, we see again this year, Indonesia, Japan, arigato, Korea, Malaysia, Russia, Spasiba, alongside strong contingents from mainland China, 谢谢, and Hong Kong. Beyond the competition floor, Its event plays a crucial role in enhancing Hong Kong's global image. We are delighted to see that the excitement generated by the championships is transforming into a direct economic benefit for our city. We estimated that each overseas participant and your family members to stay in Hong Kong for an average 5 to 10 days. And then here is quite near to Ocean Park. Then you can visit there, our 2 twins panda, leading to significant overnight stays and positive impacting our hotel, catering, and retail sectors. The major international sporting event perfectly embodies the spirit of government's vision championing the concept of Hong Kong is everywhere a tourism destination. 香港無處不旅遊. It showcases our city's ability to host world-class events that seamlessly blend competition and with the cultural immersion inviting gymnasts and visitors alike not only compete, but to also explore the unique charm and vibrancy of Hong Kong culture. The Hong Kong Cup and Asia Cup are more than just competition. They serve as important platform for the youth exchange, technical advancement, and cross-region cooperation. With the enthusiastic support from all sectors, these events have cemented Hong Kong's position as a vital hub for aesthetic group gymnastics and rhythmic gymnastics in Asia. I sincerely wish all gymnasts the very best in achieving their dreams on the competition floor. Let us continue to work hand in hand, furthering the development and popularity of rhythmic gymnastics and aesthetic group gymnastics, and together building more opportunities for international exchange and glory. May this event be a great success, and may all delegates return with a wonderful memories of Hong Kong. Thank you very much.
多謝晒 Yolanda， 請先就座。接住落嚟咧，我哋會頒發感謝狀與我哋一眾嘅主禮嘉賓同埋嘉賓。現在我哋恭請香港島青年聯會主席胡志希先生，以及中國香港美學體操總會主席、中國香港電競總會榮譽會長黃家昌先生，去為我哋頒發感謝狀與今日嘅主禮嘉賓同埋一眾嘅嘉賓。我哋首先有請懲教署助理處長唐信先生。我哋先望一望前邊舉手嘅大會攝影師，合照留念。多謝晒唐處長，請先就座。接住落嚟，我哋有請全國政協委員葉永成先生 ，SBS、BBS、MHJP。亦都有請我哋3位可以望一望前邊中間嘅大會攝影師，一齊合照留念。唔該晒，有請葉生先就座。接住落嚟有請全國政協委員黃嘉欣博士 MH。亦都有請3位咧可以望一望中間藍色衫嘅大會攝影師，係啦，舉高手嗰位，一齊合照留念。多謝晒黃生，請黃博士先就座。接住落嚟，我哋有請東區體育會總幹事趙飛先生、創意創業會會長莊詠琳女士、同頻合一傳播創始人何江先生，以及香港島青年聯會副主席羅英偉女士，同埋香港明我教育機構學務總監、香港校董學會副主席李兆學校長，有請5位。都有請幾位可以望向我哋中間嘅攝影師合照留念，多謝晒咁多位嘅支持，請各位可以先就座。接住落嚟有請香港海南社團總會副會長馬賢坤先生， 有請我哋嘅中國代表，北京首道體育大學教授及前中國藝術體操國家隊隊員、世界盃亞軍、第10屆全國運動會全能冠軍朱丹小姐。And the representative of Japan, Miss Saoni Sama. Miss Saoni Sama, please come forward and thank you, Saoni Kubaka. Please be seated. 接住落嚟，我哋有請我哋馬來西亞嘅代表，國際美學體操總會亞洲委員會委員 Miss Sarah， 香港人撐香港品牌會長鄭海謙先生，香港青年創業家總商會秘書長楊潤先生。有請咁多位可以望向我哋台嘅中間舉手嘅大會攝影師一齊合照留念。唔該晒咁多位，請各位先就座。接住落嚟有請粵港澳大灣區青年協會副主席兼秘書長黃琪先生。惠東新動力副主席 Mr. Benson Chan， 粵港澳大灣區青年協會副主席兼副秘書長古家輝先生，以及中銀香港工商金融部副總經理莊方毅先生，有請咁多位。唔該晒咁多位，請先就座，亦都有請胡生同埋黃生呢可以繼續留步，因為接住落嚟呢，我哋會有請兩位陪同懲教處助理處長唐新先生一齊頒發感謝狀與一眾嘅運動員嘅，有請唐處長。So now we will present the certificates of appreciation to the athletes. So now please, 中國香港嘅代表，有請中國香港隊嘅運動員代表可以嚟到台前，喺唐處長、黃生以及胡生手上領取你哋嘅感謝狀，感謝你哋對今次活動同埋我哋嘅比賽支持。請大家以熱烈嘅掌聲去多謝我哋中國香港嘅代表隊成員。亦都有請呢中間嘅幾位朋友都可以望住我哋舉手嘅大會攝影師一齊合照留念。唔該晒中國香港嘅代表隊運動員，請先就座。接住落嚟，我哋有請中國隊嘅代表。接下來，我們有請中國隊的代表到台前。深圳新怡lin東 Rhythmic Dynamics Club， 有請中國隊的代表。我哋有請中國隊嘅教練同埋運動員呢，都可以嚟到我哋台前呢，領取我哋嘅感謝狀。亦都有請唐處長、黃生以及胡生呢，為我哋將感謝狀頒俾我哋嘅中國隊嘅代表。多謝祖國對我哋今次比賽嘅支持，亦都多謝 我哋內地咁多位唔同嘅團體對我哋今次比賽嘅付出同埋支持，我哋都非常之期待我哋中國隊嘅代表可以喺賽場上邊盡情發揮。謝謝中國隊嘅代表。接住落嚟，我哋有請澳洲同埋印度尼西亞嘅代表。So now we will invite Team Australia and Team Indonesia. The representative of Australia and Indonesia, please come forward to receive your certificate of appreciation. Thank you. So please look at the main camera and take a photo. 唔該晒唐處長、黃生以及胡生，請先就座。接住落嚟，我哋會有請全國政協委員葉永成先生 SBS、BBS、MHJP， 以及東區體育會副主席江子榮先生 MHJP， 以及香港東區各界協會會長温俊文先生，為我哋頒發感謝狀與接下嚟嘅運動員代表。So now we will invite the Team Japan and Team Malaysia. The representative of Team Japan and Team Malaysia, please come forward and receive your certificate of appreciation. Thank you. Please give a round of applause to Team Japan and Team Malaysia. And please look at the main camera, who raising his hand. And take a group photo.「好，我哋望一望呢中間嘅大會攝影師，一齊合照留念。好，我哋再嚟多次啊！望一望中間嘅大會攝影師 ，Please look at the main camera and say cheese. Thank you, the team Japan and Team Malaysia。亦都有請3位繼續留步。接住落嚟，我哋會有請韓國同埋菲律賓嘅代表上前接受。So now we will invite the representative of Team Korea and Team Philippines. Please come forward. The representative of Team Korea and Team Philippines, please come forward to receive your certificate of appreciation. Thank you. Please give a round of applause for Team Korea and Team Philippines. So please look at the main camera who raising his hand at the center and say cheese. 我哋中間嘅運動員咧可以先坐低先，因為咧我哋嘅攝影師咧就即將要影相噶啦，咁所以咧我哋可以見到我哋場中間運動員咧可以先就座。Please be seated。唔該晒咁多位嘅代表，亦都唔該晒葉生、江生同埋温生，請3位先就座。接住落嚟，我哋有請全國政協委員黃嘉欣博士 MH， 亦都繼續有請我哋嘅東區體育會副主席江子榮先生 MHJP， 同埋香港東區各界協會會長温俊文先生，有請3位繼續為我哋頒發感謝狀。接住落嚟，我哋有請俄羅斯嘅代表 ，Please now let's invite the representative of Team Russia. Please come forward and receive your certificates of appreciation. So please look at the main camera who raising his hand and say cheese. Thank you, thank you, Team Russia。亦都有請3位繼續留步。接住落嚟，我哋會頒發感謝狀與新加坡同埋越南嘅代表。So now we will invite the representative of Team Singapore and Team Vietnam. Please come forward and receive your certificate of appreciation from our guests. Thank you. Please give a round of applause to Singapore and Team Vietnam. So please look at the main camera, who raising his hand, and let's take a photo. Thank you. 唔該晒黃博士，亦都唔該晒江生同埋温生，請三位可以先就座。接住落嚟，我哋有請香港島青年聯會主席胡志希先生，以及中國香港美學體操總會會長吳仲蘭博士，陪同我哋嘅懲教處助理處長唐勳先生，繼續為我哋頒發感謝狀與一眾嘅裁判。So now we will present the certificates of appreciation to the judge. So we will now invite all the judges come to our stage and receive your certificate of appreciation. So please give a round of applause to all our judges. 我哋今次嘅比賽啦，我哋一眾嘅評判呢，真係功不可沒，亦都係勞苦功高㗎。因為有我哋一眾嘅裁判，我哋先至有一個公平公正嘅比賽，亦都透過一眾嘅裁判，令到我哋每一個嘅運動員都可以喺賽場上邊發揮最好嘅自己。請現場嘅來賓再一次俾熱烈嘅掌聲，我哋一眾嘅裁判好嗎？亦都有請一眾嘅裁判可以望向我哋中間嘅大會攝影師。Please look at the main camera and take a good photo.
You're never gonna dare eating my leftovers. I leftover what's leftover like rain, rain, come and get close so we
咁我哋見到咧，現場我哋亦都有好多嘅運動員啦，大家咧亦都記住啦，我哋咧由呢幾日咧都會有我哋嘅香港國際美學體操大獎賽。咁我哋嘅比賽咧一連幾日咧都會喺呢一個場館入邊進行嘅。咁所以咧，如果大家想欣賞到我哋精彩嘅美學體操嘅比賽同埋表演嘅話咧，大家千祈唔好錯過啦。Please look at the main camera who raising his hand and take a group photo again. Thank you all the judge. Thank you. Please give a round of applause to all our judge. Thank you. Please be seated. 請三位主禮嘉賓亦都可以留一留步，因為跟住落嚟呢，我哋亦都有另外一張嘅感謝狀要頒俾我哋嘅贊助商家。接住落嚟呢，我哋有請我哋嘅金贊助粵港澳大灣區青年會嘅代表上前領取感謝狀，有請粵港澳大灣區青年協會嘅代表。亦都要多謝我哋勞苦功高嘅製作團隊，因為咧我哋嘅製作團隊咧當中咧有超過百位嘅義工咧係協助我哋今次嘅國際賽事。好啦，我哋唔該晒我哋嘅代表，接住落嚟咧有請我哋義工嘅代表中銀香港義工隊，有請代表嚟到台前接受感謝狀，多謝你為我哋今次嘅活動付出。因為有你哋，我哋嘅活動咧先至可以舉辦得咁順利㗎。再一次多謝中銀香港義工隊。多謝晒咁多位嘅代表，請各位可以先就座。多謝晒咁多位， 咁我哋咧今次嘅比賽咧，亦都係非常之盛大㗎。咁我見到現場嘅朋友仔咧，好多都係有佢哋嘅父母啦嚟到現場支持嘅。咁所以咧，希望大家可以多啲話俾你哋身邊嘅朋友聽，嗌佢哋咧呢幾日嚟我哋小西灣體育館呢一度去參與我哋香港國際美學體操大獎賽嘅精彩表演啦。咁我哋咧接住落嚟就會係一個非常之有活力嘅醒獅獻瑞表演啦。So now we will invite the lion to perform for everyone. So are you ready for the lion dance?好啦，現在咧，我哋有請我哋醒獅隊嘅成員啦，準備啊，我哋嘅主禮嘉賓咧，將會為我哋進行點睛儀式嘅。So we will now to eye docking ceremony。有請我哋咁多位主禮嘉賓啦，拎起毛筆之後咧，可以先將支筆放喺個醒獅嘅前方，我哋先合照留念咗一張先。有請各位主禮嘉賓可以拎起我哋嘅毛筆。係啦，根據我哋醒獅隊嘅指示，望向我哋中間嘅大會攝影師，我哋先合照留念。好，我哋再嚟望多次我哋中間嘅大會攝影師，再合照多張先。唔該晒咁多位，接住落嚟呢，我請各位主禮嘉賓咧，根據我哋嘅醒獅隊嘅指示呢，為我哋醒獅點睛。So now we are doing the eye dotting ceremony. 多謝晒一眾嘅主禮嘉賓 ，please give a round of applause for all our guests. So the lion dance is begin.多謝我哋嘅 Lion Dance， 大家再俾多啲熱烈嘅掌聲佢哋好嘛？醒獅獻瑞，會務興隆，再創 Paulus to our Lion Dance。多謝我哋嘅醒獅獻瑞，為我哋今次嘅比賽揭開一個充滿活力嘅序幕。我哋都有請我哋一隊嘅醒獅咧，可以嚟到我哋主禮嘉賓嘅旁邊一齊合照留念。亦都有請我哋嘅主禮嘉賓啦，可以望向我哋中間嘅大會攝影師，展露你哋最燦爛嘅笑容，記低呢一個咁有意義嘅一刻。多謝晒我哋一眾嘅主禮嘉賓，亦都多謝我哋嘅醒獅獻瑞表演，大家再俾多啲熱烈嘅掌聲佢哋好嘛？咁啊，我哋呢個時候呢，除咗我哋嘅醒獅獻瑞，其實我哋亦都有一個非常之有意義嘅環節㗎。咁我哋呢嘅醒獅呢，就將會嚟到舞台前邊，為大家帶嚟更多嘅活力。大家再俾多啲掌聲，我哋嘅醒獅隊好嘛 ？Please give a round of applause to our Lion Dance。除咗有醒獅獻瑞，當然唔少得我哋一個簡單而隆重嘅剪彩儀式。我哋首先有請我哋一眾嘅主禮嘉賓，可以嚟到我哋嘅彩帶前方，亦都有請我哋嘅工作人員呢，有請我哋第二排嘅嘉賓啦，亦都可以一同嚟到我哋嘅彩帶前方。我哋嘅工作人員呢，會為大家呢遞上我哋嘅金鉸剪，有請咁多位主禮嘉賓一齊為我哋進行呢一個簡單而隆重嘅剪彩儀式，亦都有請我哋兩個非常之活潑可愛嘅醒獅咧，陪同我哋嘅主禮嘉賓。呢個時候，我哋都邀請一眾嘅運動員咧，可以嚟到我哋彩帶嘅前方咧，陪同我哋進行呢一個剪彩儀式。So now we will invite all the athletes to come forward to in front of the ceremony to join this ceremony. Please come forward. So we will invite all the team. Please come forward to join this ceremony.亦都有請呢工作人員呢，為我哋安排一下咁多位運動員嘅企位啦，同埋影相嘅位置嘅，有請咁多位工作人員為我哋安排一下。好啦，有請呢我哋台上邊嘅咁多位主禮嘉賓咧，稍後咧可以望向我哋咧上方嘅攝影師，係啦，大家見到啦，我哋喺觀眾席最上方有一位揮緊手嘅攝影師，請大家望向嗰個方向。So now please look at the top of the camera, who raising his hand. So now this is the first photo. Please look at the main camera. Please look at the top. Who raising his hand? The guy who wearing the black jacket. So now please hold this on, because now we will invite all the judges to come to join our ceremony and take a group photo. So please, all the judges, please come to the stage and take a group photo together. Because the competition was successful, it cannot without you all. So all the judges, please come to the stage together and take a group photo. 有請我哋嘅工作人員呢，幫我哋安排一下我哋咁多位裁判呢嘅影相位置。有請我哋咁多位裁判呢，可以喺我哋工作人員嘅指示之下呢，揾到一個最適合嘅位置，一齊呢參與呢一張咁有意義嘅大合照。So all the judge guests, please look at the main camera of the top. Who raising his hand? So please look at the main camera who raising his hand. So we will count 3, 2, 1. So now we will say it Hong Kong Cup Yeah！ 咁我哋咧數3聲講 Hong Kong Cup Yeah 之後，亦都有請一眾主禮嘉賓咧為我哋進行剪彩儀式啦。好，大家準備好未啊？我哋一齊數3聲，然後嗌 Hong Kong Cup Yeah！OK， so we count 3, 2, 1 and say Hong Kong Cup Yeah！Ready? 3, 2, 1 Hong Kong Cup Yeah！亦都多謝咁多位嘅運動員、裁判以及主禮嘉賓嘅支持。第13屆香港國際美學體操大獎賽2025正式開始。The 13th Hong Kong Athletic Group Gymnastics Group Trophy International Championship is officially launched。今日嘅開幕儀式嚟到呢一度呢，已經圓滿結束啦。請台上嘅嘉賓呢，可以移步去到台下就座。我哋美學體操亞洲錦標賽嘅賽事呢，將會喺3分鐘之後開始㗎。So all the gymnasts, please go back to the backstage and prepare your competition. Thank you all your support.